Now, talking about your chat room, how is your e-mini chat room designed to teach trading successfully? Is it more of like you're the mentor and people are following you? Is it a group activity? Is everybody doing ESs, like you said, to keep focused on one particular instrument, or is there a different bunch of trade ideas going in all the time?
We're trying to evolve to the point where our senior people, the traders have been around the block. We do a little more with NQ. We do a little bit more with gold, with silver, things I'm familiar with. By and large, keep teaching the system through E-mini S&P. My goal is to have a larger chat room where we have enough eyes, we have enough people sharing ideas to help each other. We're a democracy, but I always give my preference, and everybody has to take responsibility for their own trades. So even though we may have a difference of opinion, I'm still going to give you my feeling and say this is the way I'm playing it. And or I may have already made a trade when you were out sleeping, and I got up at 5:30 in the morning, and hey, I'm done already, guys. I'm just looking for some hamburger.
Right.
So I think that's part of it. Is we want to keep teaching through the website, but we have a complete website that's set up with plays and perhaps about 30 different trade ideas that come along all the time. Some of them are much more frequent.
Mm-hmm.
So that's one of the things we keep going back to is that member website where all the plays, our criminal handbook, our playbook is housed. We've got spreadsheets. I fill out the spreadsheet every day. Whether you do or not, that's up to you. I, suggest to you to fill out your own. A lot of people don't get the idea that a spreadsheet is powerful. It's the process of going through, filling that out, and doing the numbers over and over. Where when you get out there in the battlefield, you don't even have to think about it. Those numbers are already in your head because you're so familiar with them. Mm-hmm. And that's my approach because I feel I'm at that stage. I don't need the spreadsheet, but I do it anyways. And then I see things, like Monday. I wasn't there Monday. Had paid my respects to a family member that passed away, so I missed Monday. But when I left clear instructions, guys. I think we're going to hit 53.
Right.
It was clear in my mind why that would happen, and I posted that on Twitter. And sure enough, it was as if I was there. Now, if our traders took that trade, great. If they didn't, no problems, but at least they're learning, and I showed them exactly why that was my target and why I felt it would be a strong bounce position. And then obviously if it regains 62, watch out, we're going to bounce some more.
Yeah.
And so market structure is the key in my opinion, and you can apply that any place. And truthfully, it's something that a lot of traders poo-poo. They don't think there is a secret code, but there really is.
Right.
And I can show that, unquestionably to anybody that takes the time and an open mind and say, okay, now I get it. Now I see why you were focused today on 93.75. I mean, these numbers, they're there for a reason. Absolutely. And they'll work in any market. We have the tools. We have too many tools. The problem is to sort it down and say, okay, which ones are more effective than the other ones. So in using the spreadsheets, in using the chat room, it's not really a chat room, it's a trading room. Mm-hmm. We are focused on going over these ideas over and over and over, and some of the trades will work, some won't, but we use this as a live vehicle. Anybody can sit there and in hindsight say, okay, I think of course, we all do that. We try to do that ahead of time, and then we explain why we felt that, and then when we get to as a conversation I had with a general, someone that you're quite familiar with. Skill is hitting the ball close to the hole, and luck is when it falls in.
It's been an absolute pleasure talking to you, sir. Like I just told you, I probably could spend 2 hours speaking with you at least. I know there's a lot of good information here in this short interview. If somebody wants to go to your website, how would they find you?
Well, we're migrating right now to MarketWizards.com. I think that would be a better place. For 4 years, I've categorized all of the trades. I've taken time every night. That's my gift to my legacy to the trading community, to go to EminiWizard.com. I put charts. I put my thoughts for the last 4 years. That was my gift to the trading community. Life is a ladder. We help each other. And just as some of the great traders that I've studied with, either personally or through their websites or their books, This is my way to hand back to anybody who wants to go through and sift through it and see some of the things that I've learned. But we're branching out to MarketWizards, which really is going to offer some different alternatives, not just the E-mini S&P. And I encourage anybody that wants to take advantage of our promotion, make sure they type in Jeffrey Lynn or MarketHeist so that we give you credit because we want to be honorable and we appreciate any business that comes our way through this interview.
Thank you.
So we appreciate the opportunity to obviously go through this interview and love to have you come and visit in our room anytime you'd like.
Definitely. I'll get with you about that after. Also, they can follow you on Twitter at EminiWizard, right?
EminiWizard.com, and just look for me out there having a little fun and trying to help educate a few people. And that's my gift, as I say, to try to show people that there is no random walk. There is no perfection either, but seek excellence, not perfection.